Hey guys, Sid, and you are at learnkevin, and today's topic is about pygame. So, if you want to know more about the pygame, you can go to the pygame.org, which is written on here. You can see the pygame.org slash docs if you want to know more about how to use it and use the pygame, and what are the classes that pygame have, like gaming library, players for designing players, and for imports and different library classes within it. Let me show you the here. Sorry. So it's a official website of the pygame. You can see here pygame.org/docs. You just need to write docs and then it will come automatically by it. So you can see we can do lots of things here, like colors, cursors, display, draw is a basic function which is used to draw all different kind of figures and images on it. Basically the basic figures like rectangle, circle, you can use any of them. Lots of them. Fonts, you can write the text on the windows, the game window. Images, joystick, you can also take the input from the joystick. Keys, you can take the input from the keyboard. It's a library. And the locals, you don't need to write by every time pygame if you really want to use the locals. Mask, mixer are used to mix the different voices and to sorry, voice and the music simultaneously work together. They are just audio mixers. Mouse, rect, surface, sprite, time. There's a lot more things to know. You cannot read it in one way. So let me show you something. A small game.
Yeah, hi, I'm Aaron.
Okay. So let me show you a simple game here.
Yeah, Aaron. So,
Python
Rima,
2
how are
and
you?
read. It's a small game. I designed it for just tutorial purpose. Doesn't does
I'm also
anything
doing that.
much in this.
So, Rima, what do you do?
Wait a minute. Let me begin. So here, this is my game. This is a very simple game
Okay.
designed in pygame. So you can see the red here. This red is the enemy's power or the health, and this is your health, the blue one, and this is you.
You are
You can
first
see
student,
this is
you are doing
me,
bachelor degree in first year,
my
right?
player, and I can do this. I can
Okay,
shoot.
yeah, I got it.
You
So,
can actually
you are, after 12th you have after 12th you
hear
have
the
joined
sound,
BBM.
and my bullets are empty. I need to reload.
Okay,
So
so you
I
live
forgot
in
the key. I
Dhaka.
think it's control. Yeah, by control I can reload.
Yeah, I know.
When I go forward
So, Rima,
beyond the
tell me
line,
something about
you can
yourself.
see that there's a dragon, and this dragon not just only do this walking up and down, but this ox actually fires the. Yeah, that's what I'm. And you have to
Okay.
kill this one by
Sing, you
firing,
like singing, really? And
and you
you
can
know
see that
any Indian singer?
the health of this
Which
dragon
will,
is going down because you're
which will,
shooting him. If you
Atif
go
Aslam,
close
yes.
to this, and you can see
Yes,
your
you have
health is going
listened that
down
song.
too.
You have listened that song
So
of Atif
you have to
Aslam, Tu
kill
Ye
the
Zindi
dragon before your
Bazaar.
health, as all the games do. So that's a very simple game. Let
Can
me
you
show you
sing
some
that
another
song
game.
right now?
And cd dot sorry,
Bangla song. Is there
games
any?
and
Actually, this is also in Hindi now.
dir
Some words are
things.
some words
Yeah,
are manipulated. Yeah.
slow
So if I will request to
dir,
sing a
and there
song in
are
Bangla,
four
can you
different things.
please listen?
Yeah,
Can you please sing?
Python 2. Thanks. Thanks to Pi.
Okay, done.
Wait for a minute. It takes us few minutes to open up. Not few minutes, few seconds. So it's a very simple game. I think you might have already. If you press the control, you can actually shoot some bullets. But be careful because they are. Oh, you are dead. So this is all about the pygame. I'll later show you how to initialize it, how to install it,
Oh my god,
and oh yeah, I must tell you how to
your voice
install
is
it.
awesome. I
So you
just
have got a
love your
very small
voice.
idea what is pygame and what you can do in the pygame. So let me tell you how you can install it. So you can install it if you are installing it
Yeah,
by
actually, I'm
pip.
in
You can simply
4G.
write pip install pygame. If you
No,
are on
I'm
Linux version, you can down sudo pip
in 0.
install pygame.
So
The command
basically,
is written
I'm
on the
in
screen.
computer
I think you can get
science
it.
and I'm in 4G.
Okay, it's all for this tutorial.